Our Rancilio Silvia espresso maker is over 11 years old, and it's made over 20,000 shots, and it still looks great in our coffee bar. But recently, we noticed that this trim piece was starting to look a little chipped and worn out, so we decided to replace it. This is called a group cover, and removing it required some disassembly and a long Phillips screwdriver to reach the screws. Now you can get a replacement group cover on Amazon for as low as $25, and the link is in the description. But we like to keep things simple, so we just gave the old one a light sanding and then painted it with a satin black spray paint. Reinstalling the group cover was a little tricky, but we got the freshly painted group cover installed, and now our old Rancilio looks as good as new. This was a fun little project, and the only question we have is, why do they call this trim piece a group cover? If you have an answer, please let us know in the comments. Like and follow for more coffee and espresso videos.